everybody. Welcome back to our channel, Diverse AAC. Today we're going to teach you how to change the skin tone using your Prolquo2Go communication application. It's fairly simple. You just start by selecting the settings wheel. Then you're going to go to Appearance, scroll all the way to the bottom. Under Skin Tone, you're going to select the skin tone, and you'll notice that it automatically populates your skin tones of all of your icons on the screen. Exit out of that, and then you are ready
like it.
to go.
I like it.
Follow us for more information on how to diversify your AAC.